factor these polynomials. One thing to keep in mind as we go through this is that if c is positive, let's see, take a look at the first one. C is a positive 6, then the rest of it applies. Both of the numbers that we're looking for, we're going to go look for P and letter Q. And again, these are just random variables, and it's the same as B. So this is our B. B is equal to 7, so 7 is positive. That means that both of the numbers that we're looking for are going to be positive. Okay? So we're looking for these two numbers that when we multiply these two numbers, they multiply up, that their product is 6. And then when we add these two numbers, their sum is 7. Okay? We can think about it. We can do this few different ways. We can think about it like this somehow, where let's see, we can say 1 times 6 is 6. Is 1 plus 6 equal to 7? Yes, it is. It looks like it only took one try. Now, if you happen not to guess on the first one, then you just keep writing down factors until you figure it out, until it comes to you. So we put a 1 there and a 6 there. That means that the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 6 is the factored form of our polynomial. So there's our solution there. Let's try this next one now. Next one, same thing. Let's write down C. So we got that C is 8. So C is positive. That means P and Q are both going to have the same sign. So P will be positive. Our Q will also be positive. Yeah. So now let's see. Because B is 9 and 9 is positive. Let's go ahead and break these down. Let's use an 8 and also let's use a 9. Starting with 1, let's see, 1 times 8 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Looks like, again, we figured it out on the first one. Here, P is a plus 1. Q is an 8. So let's go ahead and write this down. We have x plus 1, that quantity, times the quantity x plus 8. This one here is the factored form of our question. Okay? We could have reversed the 1 and the 8 and we still would have got the same answer. Just in a different order, but it's still the same. So remember, if C is positive, then P and Q have the same sign as B.